November 12th, 2022, we have a sad one here. You can see firefighters are on scene. We're going to break down this thing. And these are the aircraft. It was a World War II vintage commemorative Wings over Dallas show. And you can see those two aircraft collided and caught fire. Everybody's here on scene. Everybody's terrified. It's a horrible scene. As you can see, the smoke in the air. Luckily, I don't believe anybody on the ground was hurt thus far. But firefighters are going to get on scene, and basically it's surround and drown. There's so much smoke, so much fire. You have two aircraft involved. Not sure if there's any survivors of the pilots as of yet. But it was this Wings over Dallas commemorative Air Force show. And this is in Dallas Executive Airport. This is type of aircraft. So they do flying demonstrations of vintage aircraft, World War II demonstrations. And you can see the aircraft there. And then this is the aircraft now as it's crashed. The fire's out. Investigators are on scene. I'm sure they got everybody out of the area. Firefighters look like they're done doing their job. And so now we just have to, figure out what to do as far as investigations go. But, prayers to the families as always. Glad ARFF got on scene, got the fire out. And thank you, Chris, Twitter, for these pictures. He was here. And, I'm sure it was very shocking for there for a good day and these kind of things happen. But thanks for watching.